Hello, 3rd and 4th graders. I'm Becca. Since you've already read Fox and Socks, I'm going to teach you how to make Fox and Socks out of the materials that was sent to your classroom. You should have crayons, a sheet with 4 socks for you to color, 2 googly eyes, 1 black pom-pom for the nose, a red plate, scissors, tape, and a glue stick. First step is coloring the socks. You can color them however you'd like. I'm going to use orange. I've now finished coloring them. I'm going to cut them out. I've now cut out all 4 of my socks. We're now going to move on to cutting the plate in half. For the head part, you're going to cut the plate in a third. For the head, we are going to glue the eyes, 2 eyes, or googly eyes, here and here. And for the nose, we're going to glue it on the tip. Now that you've finished gluing everything on your head, you're going to cut out the ears. So from the smooth, flat part of your plate, you're going to cut 2 triangles out. Now that you've cut out your ears, you're going to want to tape them onto the back of the head. So you flip over the head, and then you want the red part facing out, so towards the table, and then you're going to tape. This is what it should look like. We're going to cut out the legs. So these will be 4 strips from the right side of the bumpy part facing you. So right here. We now have our 4 legs. We are now going to tape the socks to the legs. So when you're doing this, you want the plate or the leg in back of the sock. So it should look like this. Then we're going to take our tape and just tape it to the back. And you're going to do this for all the legs and the socks. Now that you have taped all 4 legs and feet together, they should look like this. You're going to now tape them to the body. So you're going to flip the plate over, and just like with the head and the ears, you're going to take the leg and have the red part facing out, just like this. You're going to tape them. The body should now look like this. We are now going to tape the head to the body. So since the socks are facing this way, you're going to tape the head towards that side. So it should look like this. So holding it like this, you're going to put it face down and get your tape ready. You're now going to tape the head to the body. It should look like this. For the tail, you can match up the remaining part of your plate on the bumpy side to make your tail. You're going to want to cut it in a triangular shape. Should look something like this. Next, you're going to want to put it on the right side of your plate, or whatever side that is. Take it, flip it over, take your tape, and tape it. Your final product should look like this, made of fox and socks. We wish that we could have been there with you guys today, but we hope that you enjoyed your Read Across America Day and reading Fox and Socks and the arts and crafts. Have a good day.